Number one question that I got when I asked, what is that one thing that stops you from achieving your dream life? And I was procrastination. It was especially asked by Anna Sharma, so I'm gonna reply to her and a lot of people who are facing the same problem, because I used to procrastinate a lot as well. So procrastination is something, it's more of a mindset, right? So it is a habit that you do it regularly. As I told you before, your mind does not have a mind of its own. So your mind will track what you do daily in the form of habits, and your mind will think that's what makes you comfortable. So if it's procrastination that makes you comfortable, it will help you procrastinate even more. And that's, I know it sounds bad, it sounds weird, but that's the truth, since your mind doesn't have a mind of its own. Now, the bad thing is it's a habit, it will keep on going on. The good thing is you can always change your habits. So there are three ways I dealt with my procrastination. Number one is the 5-second rule. Now there are a lot of people who have problems getting out of bed. So what I do is I take it from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reverse counting from 5, and bam, I just get up, straight up I go in my washroom, wash my face, and then before I know it, I'm active. The second thing I do is the 5-minute rule, where I will take the task I'm trying to procrastinate. I'll just not think it, just open it up, whether it's studying, whether it's going to the gym, whether it's just going to the market, right? I'm just going to sit in my car and I'm going to do that particular task for 5 minutes. Whether it's creating content, I'm going to just do it for 5 minutes. And once I do that, what you'll realize, something that I also realize, that I will end up doing it more than 5 minutes. So that's your 5-minute rule. Try to do that. In the initial phase, don't think about doing it, just snap and do it. Initially it's going to be hard, but slowly it will form in the form of a habit. These are the two things, the 5-second rule, the 5-minute rule, and third, which I like the best, is what your mind does is your mind tracks your daily habits, but your mind starts associating certain things with things. For example, if you're watching TV, that's for entertainment. If you're in your night suit, your mind will start believing that you want to sleep. So instead of doing that, just change your clothes. Just changing a basic t-shirt or a shirt will send the signals to your brain that you're getting active, that the environment is changing, and will become more active. So if you want to go to the gym and you're not able to do it, just before thinking anything, just wear the gym wear, and you'll end up going to the gym more than you think. Whether it's studying, maybe you wear specs, maybe there are certain things you do that, and that will actually help you. So these are the three things. Number one is the 5-second rule, where you go on from 5 to 1. Second is the 5-minute rule, where you do a particular thing for 5 minutes and boom, you go on from there on. And third is you change into those clothes which you want to do. So if it's gym, it becomes a gym clothes. If you want to go to office, it's work clothes. If you're just lazy and you have no work to do, still change your clothes. That will rewire your mind and you'll start becoming more active. So these are three things I did regularly.